This is our updated, definitive guide on how to access your XMeye cameras, DVRs, and NVRs on your computer without any emulators. We've improved this tutorial to be more complete and to fix those common connection errors many of you reported in our previous version. This is a full step-by-step for everyone from beginners to pros. First, you need to install the XMeye app on your phone. If you already have the app installed and can see your cameras, please feel free to skip to the next part using the chapters below. We are using an Android phone for this demo, but the steps are almost identical for iPhone users. Simply search for XMeye in your App Store. You might see a normal version and a Pro version. We will install the standard XMeye app, but the Pro version works just as well if you prefer it. Once the installation is finished, open the app. If a Terms of Use message appears, tap Agree to continue. If you already have an XMeye account, just enter your login details and tap Cloud Login. However, if you don't have an account yet, you must create one because a cloud account is strictly required to access your cameras on a computer later. To create your account, tap Register and then tap Agree to the terms. Enter an email address you have access to and tap Get Code. Check your email inbox for the verification code and copy it. Return to the XMeye app, paste the code into the verification field and tap Next. Now you can choose a username and a secure password. Make sure to type the exact same password in both the password and confirm fields, then tap OK. You should see a message saying Register successfully, and the app will take you back to the login screen with your details filled in. Just tap Cloud Login to enter the app. Now that you are logged into your new account, it is time to add your device. The process can vary depending on your system. We are adding a standard XMeye DVR, but if you have a standalone camera or a different system, check your manual for the specific pairing method. If you run into any trouble, please leave a comment or contact our technical support. We offer free support for our subscribers, and the contact info is in the description and pinned comment. To add your device, tap the plus icon. We are using the QR code method, so we tap the QR code button and allow the necessary permissions for the camera. Point your phone at the access QR code on your DVR screen. Once it reads the code, give your device a name and tap OK to finish. Now let's test it. Tap the checkbox to select all channels, and if it asks for a password, enter the same password you used to access the physical menu of your DVR. Tap OK, and then start preview. If the images appear, your mobile setup is perfect. Now, let's move to the computer. You will need to install the VMS software. Be careful because not every VMS version works correctly. We are providing a specific link in the description and pinned comment to the exact version we use in this video to avoid errors. This program is 100% safe, but you are welcome to scan it with VirusTotal after downloading for your own peace of mind. To install it, double-click the installer and click Yes if a permission prompt appears. Select your language and click OK. Once the data is unpacked, click Next on the welcome screen and then click I agree to the terms. Choose your installation folder, click Install, and when it finishes, make sure the Run VMS Pro box is checked before clicking Finish. If Windows Firewall asks to allow the program through public and private networks, click Allow. On the login screen, click Cloud Account Login so you can sync your mobile account. Enter your username and password, and check the Remember Password box if you want the app to stay logged in. Click Sign In, and the program will open with your devices already synced. To view your cameras, click the Monitor button on the home screen. Your device will appear on the right side of the screen. Right-click it and choose Sign In. If it doesn't connect within a few seconds, go back to the home screen and click Device Manager. Look for your device at the bottom and check the Connect column. If it shows a password error, click the Edit button and re-enter your device password. Click OK and you should see the status change to Connected. Now go back to the Monitor tab. Right-click your device name and select Open All by Substream. Your camera feeds will now appear on the screen. If you have more than 4 cameras, you can adjust the grid layout at the bottom to see them all at once. To stop viewing, simply right-click the device and choose Close All Channels. We truly hope this guide helped you get your system running smoothly on your PC. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and remember, our free support is available for subscribers. We have more videos coming soon showing advanced features like how to turn your PC into a home cloud recording system, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. God bless you.